Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes in the game, you will have a quest to make a coffee, and let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to have the recipe. You can buy the recipe from Massimo's cooking store, and Massimo's is here at the residential street. And you can also buy the ingredients from him and go to your stove and select the coffee recipe. And you will need 4 coffee beans. And then just start cooking. And don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre drink. Okay, adjust the heat level. For making coffee, you only need coffee beans. 4 coffee beans. Alright, almost done. Okay, done for the coffee. I've just made a coffee, guys. Okay, and that's how we can make coffee in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.